at the Ultimate. I think this is the 5th video.
I don't want to make it move.
Don't worry about it. Come on in. I'm just videotaping. So I went over there was really this, I don't know, it's storage, I guess. I don't know what that would be, but not bad. Bed, workbench they call it, right? My dad always called it. So anyways, we're over here on the Action 4. So it's the 4th day in February 2024. I was in the Weasels chat room talking to her a little bit. Anyways, I don't know. Used, real easy to pull. You got my favorite grill right here. These are nice. These roll helmets on there. I've done them before. You've seen me do those. But they got all kinds of. Here's a party one right here. Get this sucker. Away you go. Buck utility, away you go. Sold. Someone bought it. Someone likes the Vikings, I guess, right? I like that boy. Corporate pride. Yeah. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm well. All kinds of stuff here. They got a variety of stuff here. Storage areas you can store your stuff at. And you got to get into some trucks over here that you want to pull those big bad boys. Look at this big one. What do you think, huh? 84,000? Oh my goodness. Go here real quick. Oh God, look at this thing. Jesus. The kitchen, you can get into here. Over there, shower. This is a cabin right here, like I said. Your workbench. Big ass king size. Storage room in there. Storage in there. Oh yeah. It's a pretty decent shower. Would you shower in that shower? Okay, this is like a cabin.
Got a little fireplace. The TV goes up in there.
It's your old portable cabin here. Oh my goodness. Let it go. Let's go down here. The old GMC here, Denali, professionally made, they say, right? This is your vehicle. Thing comes out. Hell yeah. Look at that. Yep, you cripple people right there. Get around. Go over here. There's some more stuff over here. We have all kinds of fun stuff over here. You got more toys over here. $30,000 for that bad boy. Hideout. $34,000. Not bad. storage. You got the heads in there. The king size in there. Walk over here. There's a lot to see. Keystone and Cougars over here. More.
Yeah, they're put around by brand.
There.
So if you just
Cougar Sport. These are like that storage unit with your bike underneath there. This is kind of an outdoor. This is with that refrigerator right here. And the grill comes out right here. So yeah, you can grill outside. There's a head right there. Music, you gotta make sure you stay with the music. Or Katy Perry in the background. That's not bad. It's more of a family, but still it's nice. Yeah, this is a cabin right here. You wanna spend the money. It is. Down here. Oh, I'll kill myself. 2003 Cougar. Real pretty good. Got more storage underneath here. Gotta be careful of that music. Kind of takes away from videoing, but there you go. Oh my.
Okay.
Nice. Not bad, huh? Well, worth it. It's like a cabin for 70 grand, give or take. But you gotta find something to pull it.
Right. Another $70,000 truck.
There you go.
Yep. Yeah, if you consider that.
So this one's a 160.
Hey guys, fine.
Kitchen here and all in there. Storage area. Clothes.
Hey, over here now, okay?
Like you said, then you gotta buy a thing. So this is 106,000. So. Some of these are just huge. Cruise through here, shall we? I don't see a lot of pop-up ones. Mainly all of them are just your big fifth wheels. Over here, these ones they come out. They can pull out there and they can cruise out. Kind of dark in here, so we get up in here, you can't see much. Just get in here and see what happens. Get an idea. Yep, so here's another part of the room up there. Kitchen.
I like this one.
Okay. So,
I like the bathroom.
not very lit up. That's not very smart move. People aren't going to go in there when it's not lit up like a Christmas tree. Go over here. Oh my, look at this. Oh my. Oh. What do you guys think, huh? Nice kitchen. Hang out. Big ass bed. Your workbench. You can watch your YouTube. Not bad. What do you guys think, huh? Much. Head's pretty good. Shower. This is your cabin. Minnesota for the summertime, and then you bring it down to Arizona. Some Cortez, or whatever it's called with a Q. See how much a cabin would be. $133,000, give or take. The discount. Montana 615, 102,000. Shall we? Oh my goodness. Any buddies, grandchildren? Anyways, on the TV. There's a bed up there. But anyways, you guys, we'll see you in the next one. All right.